Yo, it is the 2nd of June and it is Super Scratch Sunday Day, and you know what that means. It's a vlog. Woo! Hey Adam! Here he is!
You still love filming me coming to your house.
I know. How are you, bro? James, do you want to sound like the car, mate?
Super Scratch Sunday, what?
What? No kids today?
Yeah, both of them.
Oh, you got them?
One in there, one upstairs.
Oh, mate, what a fucking dad. Super dad. Right there. Super dad.
If I had a hand moving this bit.
Sorry, mate, I'm cameraman.
What are you doing?
Where are you going to park?
I want to park here.
We just moved the bins for no reason, mate. What's he doing? Are we going upstairs today?
Yeah. It's light and airy, and it doesn't smell of mould. The real show that's going on
He's
here.
still going.
The man that can't park his car.
There's no way. Can you move the bins again? Bloody parking. What is he? James Cambion, co-founder. Wow, yeah, co-founder.
Yeah.
Co-founder at Super Scratch Sunday.
2010. I don't know,
Yeah,
Dalston.
Bloody hell. Dalston in it. What was the address?
Cotton Lofts.
Cotton Lofts, mate.
I don't know, 13A Cotton Lofts, maybe?
Yeah, we made it look legit by making a little poster.
Yeah.
And everyone's like, what's this event? What's this event you doing?
Yeah. And Kengo turned up, Cuban brothers.
Kengo! Oh yeah, what happened to Kengo?
Kutclass. Yeah, that's right. Tom, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, mate.
Cool. Alright, mate, how you doing?
Si. Oh, you're Si, right, okay, yeah, I check your videos all the time.
Oh, sick,
learn
man.
loads from it. Yeah, wicked. Nice one, guys. Thanks for putting this on, like, what a great idea.
Yeah, no worries. All right. Do you want to be on the vlog?
Well, yeah.
You're on it now.
I'm on it now, aren't I?
Part of the record.
Sit back, enjoy, and watch the fucking amazing, the biggest DJ.
You calling me fat? You calling me fat? That's it, man.
I was gonna drop a C-bomb then, but I decided against it. Because there's only one man that can drop C-bombs in here, and that's the fucking cunt that is DJ Randall.
DJ, scratch DJs.
Oh, DJs good.
So musician DJs. And it's
Musician
turntables,
DJs,
you know.
fucking hell, big.
I don't know, it's the best way to sum it up in
I
2
don't know,
words. I don't
Scratch
know.
Bandicoot, the man,
DJ musicians,
the myth,
thank
the
you.
legend. No, thank you, man. That was good. That was good. You smashed
Yeah,
it. Mate. You
wicked, take
smashed
care.
it. No,
well,
well done,
you guys
mate.
are
Well
amazing.
done,
I need to get Grandmaster level.
Well, yours is really easy. Yours is like pushing a shopping trolley.
Yours is like a little like granny.
I've got family to get back to.
Under the thumb. That's what you call it. DJ under the thumb, mate. Successful Super Scratch Sunday.
Lots of fun. I've lost my voice again. Like that's a sign of a good one.
That is the sign.
And I'm sweaty as well, which is also another sign of it being a hot one indoors.
Imagine if we were in the basement, mate. How fucking shit that would have been.
Yeah, the piss. Yeah, it's been a good upgrade being upstairs.